Hello. In this video I'm going to go over the answers to the quiz review. So for the first 5 problems we're just finding the area under the standard normal distribution using table E. Number 1 is asking us to find the area to the right of 2.35. So to find the area to the right of 2.35, we look up 2.35 in our table. So here's 2.3, and then we have to go to column 0.05, and that's going to give us an area of 0.9906. Remember, when you look up an area in table E, it always gives us the area to the left, but we desire the area to the right. So to calculate the area to the right, we take 1 minus 0.9906, which is 0.0094, and that's this area. Now to find the area to the left of 1.26, all we have to do is look up 1.26. Let me enlarge this a bit. All we have to do is look up 1.26, and that's the area to the left, 0.8962. 0.8962. Now when you see this notation, we're looking for the area between two z values, between negative 8.99 and 0.24. Whenever we're looking for the area between two z values, we look up both areas in the table and then subtract them. So let's go ahead and take a look. I think there's an issue with this problem. So let's go ahead and work this out directly. First of all, let's look up 0.24. So if we look up 0.24, we have 0.201234, 0.5948. So we have 0.5948 minus, then we look up the area for negative 8.99. When we try to look up that area, we have to pay attention to, at the very bottom of the chart, whenever we have a z value that is less than negative 3.49, we use the area 0.0001. So we're going to take the area to the left of 0.594 minus the area to the left of negative 8.99, which is 0.0001. And we get the answer of 0.5947. Now to find the area, let me just edit that a bit. So to find the area between 1.09 and 2.21, we follow the same procedure as the previous problem. We look up the area for 2.21 in our table. So we have 2.201 is 0.9864. So that's 0.9864. And then we look up the area of 1.09. So 1.09, 0.8621. And we always subtract the smaller area from the larger area, so 0.1243. Now the final problem, here we go, sorry. We're trying to find the area to the right of negative 6.89. Well, as we saw before, any value that's less than negative 3.49 to the left of that, it has an area of 0.0001. So if we want the area to the right, we take 1 minus 0.0001, which is 0.9999. Okay. And then the last problem, it says the following. A standard normal distribution has a right tail of 0.0401. So the little areas at the edges are called tails. So this is a right tail, 0.0401. We want to find this unknown z value. Well, in order to look up this unknown z value, we need the area to the left. So to find the area to the left, we take 1 minus 0.0401, which is 0.9599. So that's this area. And now we're going to look up 0.9599 in our table to determine the z value. So we have to look in the area section for 0.9599. In fact, it's right here. Do you see it in the center? So we look to the left, 1.7. We look up 0.5. So the z value is 1.75. And then now for this last problem, it says a standard normal distribution has an area between 0 and z, and it's equal to 0.3729. So we have a picture here, 0.3729. That's the area between this unknown z value and 0. What we need to do is we need to first find the area to the left of the z value. So if you recall, this whole left side is 0.5. Each half of the normal distribution has an area of 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.3729 will give us this left tail area. All right, 0.1271. And now we just have to look up 0.1271 in the table inside the area section. So 0.1271 is right here. It's right there. So you look to the left, negative 1.14. And that is the missing z value, negative 1.14. Thanks for watching the video and good luck on the quiz.